Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. In this episode from Tough Deck Builders Orlando, we are going to shine a light on something that is mostly hidden but extremely important: the fasteners and hardware holding your deck together. When most people think about a deck, they picture the surface boards, the color, and maybe the railings. But underneath all of that are screws, bolts, joist hangers, and connectors doing the heavy work. If those small parts are chosen or installed poorly, even the best-looking deck can become a problem sooner than you expect. Let us start with the connection to the house. On decks that attach to the home, there is a main board called the ledger. That piece must be bolted securely to the structure with the right anchors and protected with flashing so water does not sneak in. Using the wrong kind of fasteners here, or not enough of them, can lead to movement, sagging, or even separation from the house over time. Next come the beams and posts. At the bottom, post bases keep the wood up off the concrete and help prevent rot. At the top, metal connectors and bolts tie the posts to beams so the structure acts as one solid unit. These connections need to handle both the straight-down weight of people and furniture and the side-to-side forces from wind and regular use. Joists, the smaller framing members that support your deck boards, often rely on joist hangers where they meet beams or ledgers. These hangers are designed to carry specific loads, but they only do their job if they are properly sized, fully nailed or screwed, and made from materials that can handle the environment. Skipping hangers or using light-duty pieces where stronger ones are needed is asking for trouble. In a climate like ours, corrosion matters too. Moisture, treated lumber, and salty air in some areas can all speed up rusting. That is why deck fasteners and hardware are often coated, galvanized, or made from stainless steel. When those protective layers fail, metal thins, nails loosen, and connections weaken. Paying attention to the right hardware for the conditions is not overkill. It is basic durability. On the surface, fasteners control both looks and performance. With traditional wood decks, you often see screw heads on top of the boards. With composite decking, many systems use hidden fasteners or clips that fit into grooves on the sides of the boards. Homeowners who pick composite products such as TimberTech often like these systems because they give a clean, smooth surface and are designed to allow the boards to expand and contract properly. Railings, stairs, and any added features like pergolas or benches also rely on the right fasteners in the right places. Heavy screws, structural screws, specialized brackets, and through bolts all have roles to play. Using drywall screws or generic nails where structural hardware is called for is a shortcut that can lead to loose parts, movement, or worse. You do not need to memorize all of this, but it helps to know that the hardware choices on your deck are not small details. When you talk with a contractor, it is fair to ask what kind of fasteners and connectors they plan to use and why. A thoughtful answer is a good sign that they take structure seriously, not just surface appearance. If you are planning a new deck or replacing an old one, and you want it to feel solid for the long haul, you can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com. We are happy to walk you through how we handle the details you may not see, but will definitely feel under your feet. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. Join us next time as we continue breaking down the parts of outdoor living projects that matter most for safety, structure, and long-term value.